Viewpoint Vista Review 2025. Is it the right construction ERP for your business? Most people get construction ERPs wrong by assuming all systems cover the same ground. In 2025, Viewpoint Vista offers a comprehensive ERP solution for construction businesses, combining project management, accounting, and field operations. You won't believe what happens next. It centralizes financials, project tracking, and document management, providing real-time insights across the organization. The surprising truth is that Vista also includes robust reporting tools, helping executives forecast budgets, monitor performance, and manage risks. Integration with mobile apps ensures field teams can update progress, log hours, and communicate effectively with the office. Pricing is subscription-based, and the system is scalable for small to large contractors. Its complexity may require training, but the payoff is improved efficiency, reduced errors, and better decision-making. In conclusion, Viewpoint Vista in 2025 is ideal for construction businesses seeking a full-featured ERP that unites finance, project management, and field operations. If you're ready to invest in an integrated solution to streamline workflows and gain visibility into every project, Vista is a strong choice.